Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another digital SAT math question. The function h is defined by h of x equals 4x plus 28. The graph of y equals h of x in the xy plane has an x intercept at a comma 0 and a y intercept at 0 comma b, where a and b are constants. What is the value of a plus b? In this question, again, it's about x-intercept and the y-intercept. So to find an x-intercept, and they already actually somewhat explained here what to do. Look at here in the x-intercept. This is in this order pair, the first value of a is for the value of x, okay, and let me change my pen. So a is the value for the value of x and the 0 for the value of y, okay, and for the y-intercept, if you would pay attention, the value of x is 0 and the value of y is b. So to solve this equation, this problem, this is what we're going to do. H of x is equal to 4x plus 28. So we're going to substitute. When we substitute 0 for the x, we're going to find the y-intercepts. Okay? So h 0, 4 times 0 plus 28. Okay? So this is going to be equal to b. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 28 is 28. So the value of b is 28 here. And how do I find the value of a? By substituting 0 for the value of y, which is h of x. So h of x is equal to 0 is equal to 4x plus 28. Now we will try to isolate the x. What did they do to x? They multiplied x by 4 and added 28. We're just going to do the inverse operations. Take away 28 from both sides first. Okay. So and this is going to be negative 28 is equal to 4x. Now we're going to divide both sides by 4, right? And when you divide both sides by 4, negative 28 over 4 is negative 7. So the x is negative 7. And the question was to find a plus b. To find a plus b, 28 plus negative 7. So 28 minus, this becomes minus, right? One positive, one negative next to each other. It turns into negative. 28 minus 7 is 21. The answer is A. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. You'll thank me later.